Hello, I am going to present a motion sensor based RC control robot. This is a Robo which can be controlled through handheld motion sensor, and it transmits the signal to this robot. It picks up the signal. This is a Arduino Pro Mini, what you are seeing. This receives the signal and sends the signal to Arduino Uno, which converts that signal into a left or right turn. And this is a remote, handheld remote. It transmits data through 433 megahertz transceiver. This is the front wheel steering control is attached to a servo motor. As you can see, it's rotating freely, but once it's switched on, it sets itself in the straight path. As you can see, the front wheel. I'm going to attach now. As you can see, I'm going to switch on the remote, and by controlling the remote, I can turn the wheels left or right, and also the motion wheel can be controlled through this remote by turning front or back, and the wheel can be turned left or right. So let's see the demo of the robot. As you see here, by moving the handheld remote, we can move the RC car left and right, front and back, or direction. This is a left turning, and the other way this is a right turning here. Thank you very much for watching this video. If you like it, give a thumbs up. Thanks.